Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar and to a nice collab here with Tiësto and Alana Springsteen. This one is called Hot Honey. Alright, so this is very much your typical guitar song. No, it isn't. But anyway, it's fun to play this one because it has this melody, it has this very straightforward strumming, easy chords, and yeah, a challenging song when it comes to just translate into guitar. But it's very simple in the same way, if you understand what I mean. Okay, anyway, enough of chit chat, let's go into this song, and we have these chords we need to go over. We're gonna look at these chords without any capo. So we're gonna start right away with the A minor. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, first E. We have the G. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the C. That is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the GB chord. And that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. These are the chords we need to hold, and the chords we're going to use a strumming pattern for. But now we're going to look at the verse play. There are other chords here as well. For instance, the F. We're not going to go over the chord as is because we're just going to play the notes here. So we don't need to strum it. So let's go into the melody and the verse play. So if you grab the A minor chord, you're going to play like this. So that is open A, second D, second G, and then comes this part. And I play the open B, the first B, and the open B. I'm not playing all these notes, I'm just playing the first open B string, and then I use the hammer on and pull off technique. So I play the open B, and then I hammer on the first B with my index, and then I pull off to get back to the open B. So I'm just playing once on this open B, the first one. Hammer on, pull off to get the open B, and then I continue with second G and second D. That is the A minor part. So slowly it goes like this. Then we have the F part, and it goes. So that is first on E string, third D, second G, and first B. I suggest you have a bar there. So bar on first fret, and then you play the other notes there. So first E, third D, second G, and first B. A pause. And then you go to G, and you just need to hold the third fret on E string for this melody-based part, the verse play. So it goes like this. So that is third on E string, open D, open G, open B, open G, and open D. And then we have the ending here, and it's alternating because the first ending is based upon the D minor and the second one is based upon the A minor. So the D minor part is just hold the chord and play the strings down. So that means open D, second G, third B, and first E. And a pause. And that is the end of the first round. The second round starts in the same way, so A minor the same, F the same, G the same, and the second ending here is with A minor, and you just hold the chord as it is there as well, in the same way as D minor, but now you play that part. So that is open A, second D, second G, and first B, and the pause. So just alternate between this D minor ending and A minor ending. And that is how you handle the verse play with melody. So one round, I can go with the first ending D minor. It goes like this. and play everything the same, and then you just end with the second ending on A minor. All right, that is the first play. Now over to chorus, and we need to learn the strumming pattern. We're gonna do that with A minor. You're handed, since that is how we end it. So you are there now with A minor, and you're gonna play down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. That is one string round. So and a couple rounds. Okay, but that is just boring to play A minor. We need to shift chords here in the chorus place. So the chord progression will now be A minor, 2 string rounds, D minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, and then C1 and GB1. And that is one chord progression round. So A minor, D minor, and G, 2 string rounds there, and then C1 and GB1, like this. Again, A minor 2, D minor 2, G2, C, GB. That is the chorus play, and that is how you handle Tiësto and Springsteen's Hot Honey. Give it a try. A little bit different to try something else than your typical guitar song. So grab the guitar, play some uplifting, fast songs. Goes perfectly fine. So good luck with this one and play too.